Hi friends, in this lecture we will see Amazon Comprehend Console overview. Also we will see billing for the Comprehend. So first sign into your AWS account. If you do not have account in AWS, just sign up, then sign into the console. So once you are into console, you can see AWS Management Console here and the list of the available services by AWS. Now, under machine learning, you can find out Amazon Comprehend. Else, you can type Comprehend here, that will get Comprehend. Then just click on Amazon Comprehend, that will redirect you to the Comprehend console. So this is my Comprehend console. And see here, they just provided how it works. So Comprehend can take the input of social media posts, emails, web pages, documents, phone transcripts, and medical records. Then it will automatically extract key phrases, entities, sentiment, language, syntax, topics, and document classifications. So in the same page on the right side, you can find out the pricing for the Comprehend. For the first 50k units of text per month, it is free of cost. Once it crossed for 1 unit of text, they are charging $0.0001. And for the topic modeling, first 5 jobs in a month are free. Once it crossed 5 jobs, they are charging $1 for every job. Now, if you can see on your left side of screen, on top, there is one hamburger icon. Just click on it. That will show us the list of tabs or options available in Comprehend. The very first one is Real-Time Analysis. Just click on it, and if you can see some info of Real-Time Analysis. Simply, you just provide your text here and click on Analyze. That will analyze your text and produce results like entities, key phrases, language, or sentiment, etc. So let's say, for example, you don't have text. The text is available in some documents. So you want to analyze the document. So to analyze the document, we can go to Job Management. Here you can create a job. While creating the job, we can provide input of the text and output of the result where it has to store in the S3 bucket. And the input is also S3, output also you can store in S3. The next one is customization. If you want to do some custom classifications, if you want to train your models based on your data, then you can create your custom classifications here, and you can create your custom entity recognition here. The next one is Comprehend Medical. So in the real-time analysis tab, you can provide your input here, then click on Analyze. So that can analyze your data based on the given input and produce the results. So this is the overview of Comprehend. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel DWBIADDA videos.